Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use a data room solution to streamline due diligence and raise more capital. In this video, we will discuss what a data room is, why it's important for fundraising, and how to choose and use a data room solution to get the best results. Let's go. What is a data room? A data room is a secure online platform that businesses use to share confidential documents with others. Data rooms are commonly used for merger and acquisition, fundraising, and other types of business transactions. However, data room can also be used for general data storage and sharing. Why is a data room important for fundraising? A data room is important for fundraising because it provides a secure and efficient way to share all of the information that potential investors need to make an informed decision. This information can include financial statements, business plans, market research reports, and legal documents. Benefits of using a data room solution for fundraising. Security. Data room solutions offer a variety of security features to protect your confidential information, such as encryption, access control, and audit trails. Efficiency. Data room solutions can help to streamline a fundraising process by providing a central location where all relevant documents can be stored and accessed. This can save you and your team a significant amount of time and effort. How to choose a data room solution for fundraising. Security. Makes sure to choose a data room solution that offers the security features that are important to you. Features. Consider the features that are important to you, such as document management, collaboration tools, and reporting tools. Pricing. A data room solution vary in price. Choose a data room solution that is affordable and that fits your budget. How to use a data room solution to streamline due diligence and raise more capital. Organize your documents. Before you upload your documents to the data room, take some time to organize them. This will make it easier for potential investors to find the information they need. Create a document index. Create a document index that lists all of the documents in your data room. This will help potential investors to quickly and easily find the documents they are looking for. Set permissions. Set permissions to control who has access to your data room and which documents they can view. This will help to protect your confidential information. Conclusion. Data room solutions can be a valuable asset for businesses that are fundraising. By choosing and using a data room solution effectively, you can streamline due diligence, raise more capital, and close more deals. That's it. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you very much, everyone. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Allah. Bye-bye.